Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lady Jen Paul. Today we are gonna see a super great and a big kitchen products haul. So come on, let's dive into the video. These are the porcelain and ceramic products that my mom has bought. Cute little porcelain pepper and salt containers. These are so great and it looks beautiful with the intricate designs in it. So it has a hole below here and you can open it and put the salt and pepper inside and then close it and then use. It looks so cute and it is going to be a great add-on to our kitchen. So next comes this cup holder. Since our kitchen is a very tiny kitchen, it needs a lot of organizers to organize all the utensils and vessels. So we have got this one, we have purchased this, wherein you can slide it on the slab of the shelf and you can hang all your favorite mugs here. So I'll be showing you a clip in this video how it looks after hanging the cups. So next is this cute little mini flask. So it's a cute flask. Price is $3.95. It's a stainless steel flask. So it holds the temperature for around 2 hours. So if you want to just take oats or some healthy drinks to your office, I think this is a good to go. A hand painted one. It looks so vibrant and it is really going to make the kitchen so much vibrant. And its price is just $1.90 and you can have your breakfast meal in this or some porridge, or you can also serve a curry, a special curry with this bowl. This leaf-like dish serving bowl. Actually, it's very beautiful, and the price of each is 190 rupees. We have got two platter for some snacks. You can like serve snacks or any fries or something like that with this. And we have got two with two different colors and designs. So this is 190 rupees and this is 200 rupees. So next is this big sized mug, and this is also a ceramic product, and this is also hand painted. It has a great grip. Actually the handle is so big, so it has a great grip, and we can sip our favorite coffee or tea in this mug. So it looks so beautiful, and the best part is this is also vibrant and so unique. And next is we got some soft towel. The price of one towel is like 150. It's a very small, soft, super absorbent towel. So it's of a small size. So this is one. And we got 2 tablespoons, which is so big, a multicolor spoon. So the price of one spoon is 75 rupees and it's 20 centimeter in length. And it looks so different. The 2 colors are so different, and it's like a rainbow color. So I just like it. So next comes these beautiful jars. Actually, this is also hand painted, and each hand paintings are different and unique from each other, and the colors used is also different, and it looks so cute. So we have got 2 jars here, and this is another hand towel. So next is this package. So these are lovely products that I'm like very much eager to open and show it to you. So here comes the egg separator. This is one of the beautiful and so cutest kitchen product I've ever seen, actually. So just see how lovely it is, and you have to pour in the egg here inside this, and you have to pour the egg after that through this hole, so that the yolk gets stagnant inside, and the egg white alone pours out. So this is such a lovely and cute product. Next is the ladle holder. You can use it for organizing all the ladles in the kitchen, or you can put in the spoons and other things, or scissors, or whatever, cutleries, or knives, and whatever you wish. So this, I got it in a red color. So this item, which I'm going to show you now, is my favorite, and it's one among the unique collections in this entire kitchen item. So ta-da! This is a coffee mug which I got from Nestasia. It looks so beautiful, and the carving, this comes out, actually the teddy bear in this, it like pops out as a 3D figurine, and it looks so beautiful, and I'm just loving it. The color combination they've used is just awesome. I'm gonna sip my coffee soon. And next comes a beautiful plate with the same teddy bear design. This also I got from Nestasia, and this also, it's not a flat print, it's like carved one. It looks as if it's carved out, and it's a 3D carving, and it looks so much beautiful, and it's a matching thing. But this is not a saucer, it's a small plate. It's breakfast or a snack plate. And next thing what I'm going to show you is pineapple. So next is this pineapple ladle holder. So you can rest your ladle or your spoon when you're cooking and keep it beside the stove. So it looks so beautiful, and this pineapple looks really real. So next one which I'm going to show you is it's a small snack plate. It's in a bread shaped, it's actually given like a bread. It looks like bread and it looks so lovely. So this is a set of 2. This is a set of 2, and it's a breakfast or a snack plate maybe, and it looks so beautiful and unique. So the last one is the last but not the least product, which is a beautiful ceramic kettle from Chambak, and it has a lid to close it, and it comes with a bamboo handle which I haven't fixed yet. You can just pour your hot tea and keep it in the kitchen, and it's not only a kettle but also a beautiful showpiece. So it looks so beautiful and lovely, and the price of this is 1,595. I got this for 1,595. Then we have also bought a silicone handle basket, which looks so pretty and cute, and it can accommodate many products. And the price of the basket is 350. The small one. It looks so beautiful and it's so cute. So we bought this. So buddies, I have shown my mom's entire new ceramic kitchen collections, and I hope you would have loved it. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up to this video, share with your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in another useful video, and until then it's bye from Lydia. Bye.